Morphophonological derivation matrix, lesson 7. Okay, maybe this is hard title for you. If you don't use sound waves in this title, you can't tell this title. More when you read this will be worse there. For example, Morphophonological derivation matrix. This is not English. This is same as English. With right method, better method. Morphophonological derivation matrix. Okay, so lesson 7. We will use one base word and more type of affixes. Okay, and I will give for you derived, derived. When you read this word and when you tell what you read, this word will be this one, derived form. But this is not English. Try to practice this word very slowly. When I practiced when I was child, Bach, Czerny, and Scales, which was very hard, which my finger can I use in this lesson. And my stepfather, which was my best master, told me a few times, practice very slowly and with hardly. And this I can use in English too. So our problematic word is this one, derived form. Derived form. Next one is form. Try to use sound waves when you'd like to practice this word, and slowly. Derived form without R. That's mean R. Derived form. At every situation when you will use sound waves, your speak will be speechable. You will speechify. We use this word maybe in first or second lesson, this word speak, speaking, speechify, etc. Okay, our base word in this 7th lesson is go, not go, go. But hold on. In English, when you use one word and you think you can practice this word, how to say this word, and you think at this moment you can use this go in all situations with any sentences or in all sentences which you like to create, this is not true. Another problem in English. Okay. We will use suffix and prefix. Affix type will be over, undergo, and for. Will be verb and nouns. Nouns. Use this S at the end of this word. Not nouns. Nouns. When you practice ordinal and cardinal numbers, you must tell this word correctly. 17th. Okay, but now go back. That's mean, if you think at this moment your accent is so bad, but you can't do anything because you think if I will be better in English, I can travel with speaking coach and he can tell me or give me any solution. No, practice from this, at this from time. Okay, or words will be, how I told you, derived form. Derived form. What is the problem with this word? Derived form. Problem is only this one. This word not exist. Or this is not understandable. Derived form. Practice slowly, clearly, with your opened out. Opened. This letter D. Use this D at the end of your word. Okay, derived form. You can increase your speed if you practice and you repeat it more and more times, but you must use slowly. Derived form. You can increase your speed and you will practice it more and more times. Okay, derived form will be, at first, as base word is go. I like to go to any place, to beach, because this is so complicated. Simple sentence really. I like to go to the shop. Yes, you can combine this sentence to longer, but forget it. At first time, simple communication in your real life. Simple question, simple answer, and use pauses, use sound waves. If you speak without sound waves and without pauses, your English will be ununderstandable or ununderstandable. Not understandable. Understandable. Play with this word. Okay. Next one is goer. Goer. I am a good goer because I can go. Okay. Next one, third one is verb or derived form is overgo. Maybe I overgo my limit. How much money can I spend monthly? Maybe this is so complicated sentence. Try to generate not so complicated sentence. Okay, next one is undergo. Use sound waves, not undergo, not go, undergo, go. Play with this word. Undergo. My life was so hard, and I undergo a lot of situation. A few times I won, and I lost. Okay, this sentence was so complicated. Try to generalize simple sentences. For example, from your life, any example. Last one is forgo. Forgo. Never read and never speak. Because this connection, I like to read something and I like to tell what I read. This is the worst method what you can use in your life. What I heard, I can tell. After I practice what I heard a lot of times and I repeat a lot of times, that's means more days, I can read it. Okay, last one is forgo. I like to forgo my, for example, doctor or theater or swimming pool or my restaurant or something. You can use any word. Okay, this one was seventh. Seventh. Use this letter at the end of the seventh. Practice, go back to another category. You can find ordinal, cardinal numbers and practice from these categories all lessons to practice these sentence, these letters at the end of this word, T and H. 17th lessons. And use pauses. 17th lesson. Pauses and sound waves. Yes, this one was 7th lesson.